Title is Comparing Self-Perceived Performance in Cooking when Using Visual Recipe Cards versus Textual Instruction among HE students. For the abstract, this study aimed to determine the influence of visual and textual recipe format on this presentation. Satisfaction among grade 12 HE student, comparative quantitative design. The study involved 30 respondents selected through stratified sampling from the senior high school HE prior to the actual data collection. A pilot testing was conducted among grade 11 HE students to ensure the reliability and validity of the instrument were gathered using a structured questionnaire measure on a Likert scale, assessing understanding of step, creativity, or presentation in over satisfaction. For result, revealed that students exposed to visual recipe format obtain higher mean score in understanding of step, 4.35 creativity, 4.28 in overall satisfaction, 4.32 compared those who use textual recipe. Independent t-test results show statistically significant 0.05 indicating that visual recipes enhance comprehension, creativity, and satisfaction. Furthermore, correlational analysis revealed post relationship among the variables with the strongest collection observed between creativity and satisfaction. 0.62, 0.001. The findings highlight that visual recipe format provide more engaging and effective learning experiences. It is recommended that educators in visual-based instructional materials in home economics student classes to enhance student creativity, understanding, and confidence in this presentation. Keyword: visual recipe, textual recipe, creativity, satisfaction, home economics student.
Result and discussion. The Shapiro-Wilk test indicated that both groups were normally distributed. P equal negative 0.568 for visual recipe card user. P equal negative 0.834 for textual instruction users. The Leibniz test yielded P equal 0.795, confirming equal variance. Thus, the independent sample t-test was used to compare the mean self-perception scores of the two groups. With the Magnet U test included as non-parametric check, the findings suggest that while both instruction methods foster positively self-perception in cooking, students who utilize visual recipe cards perceive themselves as slightly more confident and competent than those who relied solely on textual instruction. These results are consistent with educational research highlighting that visual-based learning materials improve self-efficiency, motivation, and task accuracy, particularly in practical subjects like home economics.
For the objective, the purpose of this study is to examine how HE students view their own ability to cook when analyzing visual recipe cards versus writing instruction. Specifically, it aims to answer the following question. What is the level of self-perceived performance in cooking among HE students? A. Visual recipe cards. B. Textual introduction. Number 2. Which recipe format do students feel more confident using cooking tasks? For conclusion, based on the result of study, the following conclusion were drawn. The method of choosing what you will as lows among visual recipe cards versus actual introduction has a significant impact on student performance in cooking tasks. The findings validate the educational importance of organized supports such as visual recipe cards which help learning step minimizing error and achieve better consistency in performance. And while textual instruction fosters independence and creativity, it may be less effective in structured academic setting where accuracy, timing, and standardized outcomes are critical. The convergence of results across both parametric and non-parametric tests strengthen the reliability of the findings, confirming that structured aids like visual recipe cards provide measurable academic benefits in cookery education. For significance, the result of the study will serve as gauge on how the following individual will benefit from the study. Learners, the finding of this study will inform senior high school students that learning method better support their cooking performance and boost their confidence, allowing them to choose more effective guide for skills development to make decisions about cooking using through recipe cards and textual instruction. Professor, the study finding will motivate and assist professor in incorporating the knowledge that they will gain in coaching the student about cooking aspect by identifying the approach that improves student performance or make them feel more capable. Educators can modify their materials to accommodate a range of learning preference, particularly those who learn most effectively visually. For recommendation, for student HE strand, students are inspired to use visual recipe cards are learning aids to improve organization, efficiency, and appearance in presenting food for teacher and school. Teachers should incorporate recipe checklist-based activities in cookery classes, particularly for beginners to scaffold learners. May also provide workshop on how effectively use structured tools while still not needing creativity. Teachers are encouraging to use visual recipe cards because it's featuring images that are highly effective. Through this you can see the actual step, ingredients and tools that they are using. For researchers, future research could expand this research by testing another type of recipe, grilling or versus boiling, or comparing ingredients like natural ingredient versus enhanced texture. For methodology, this chapter presents the method and procedure used in conducting the study on the influence of visual and textual recipe. Format on this presentation satisfaction among grade 12 home economics student. It described the research design respondent sampling technique, data gathering procedure, and instrument used in collecting and analyzing the data. The purpose of this chapter is to provide a clear explanation on how the study was carried out to ensure the validity and reliability of the research.